If you've ever wanted to start a home decor blog but you felt stuck because writing content takes forever, well, I've built something that solves that. I created a simple tool that can help you create high quality listicles for the home decor niche with a single click. These articles are actually complete. You have the whole structure, the images, the text, so it's all looking very good. You can use these articles to quickly scale up your site and then drive traffic from Pinterest, which is still one of the best platforms for niches like home decor. Before I go into details, I want to invite you to my private community called Pin Lions, where you can get access to this tool. On top of that, you can get access to my other tools, my workflows, my prompts. But it's not just about tools. Inside you can connect with people from all over the world, US, UK, Germany, France, India, South Africa, literally from all over the world. Everyone is doing the same thing, everyone's growing on Pinterest. It makes me very happy when I see that people are getting real results. You can ask questions, you can get feedback and follow along with what's working right now. If you want to join the community, the link is in the description. Before I show you how it works, I just want to say why I created this tool. And for me, it's a massive time saver. Because creating home decor articles can be quite time consuming. You have to create the article, let's say in ChatGPT, then you have to create prompts for that article, then you have to use these prompts, for example, in ideogram to create these images. You have to copy and paste everything to WordPress. It takes a lot of time. So I was trying to find a way to create these articles faster because no one likes to copy and paste stuff, right? So I created this plugin. It's actually awesome. And you know, home decor is one of the biggest niches on Pinterest. It's evergreen and it's just as huge as food niche. So obviously there's a lot of opportunity here. But this is very important because I have to say that it doesn't mean that you should publish all of these articles blindly, because AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Sometimes an image might look a little weird or a description might feel slightly off. That's why I recommend always reviewing what this tool creates. For most articles, everything looks fantastic and ready to go, but every once in a while, well, you will want to tweak or replace something, and it's pretty obvious. We want to create high quality content, we want to make it as good as possible, so obviously please read all of these articles and see. If you are using this plugin, just see if everything looks good and it's ready to publish. And if you don't even want to read these articles, well, it's up to you. You can still create 500 articles, start publishing pins on Pinterest and see what happens. But for the record, I just have to say it, I recommend doing some quality control first. I want to show you some more examples of articles created with this tool. 7 nautical color palettes using navy, white and natural tones. You will love. We have a nice looking featured image and all of these ideas here, and it looks quite good. Considering the fact that it was created with a single click, I think it's a massive time saver for anyone who wants to create a website about home decor. Another example here, 8 farmhouse dining tables that anchor the room and steal the show. So this article could target farmhouse dining tables or dining rooms on Pinterest. So the plugin uses ChatGPT 5 to generate content, and the content itself is very good. You know that feeling when you walk into a dining room and the table just owns it? That's the magic of a great farmhouse dining table. It's sturdy, soulful, and makes even Tuesday night pasta feel like a moment. If your dining space needs a strong, stylish anchor, these 8 farmhouse tables are here to do the heavy lifting, style-wise and literally. So you know, it's a nice listicle, all of these images look very natural, and we could actually start adding some Amazon affiliate links here to different dining tables to even more optimize it for making money. And I like the fact that most images look very realistic. It's not exactly 100% clear that it's AI. But obviously sometimes something may look a little bit weird. If you don't like the image or something, then you can always change it manually. Another example from one of my new sites, 7 best coastal rugs, all of these different rug ideas. And of course, as I said before, it just needs some affiliate links and it can start generating revenue from affiliate sales as well. And honestly, I'm so happy that this thing exists because I no longer have to copy and paste everything from ChatGPT and ideogram. Another example from one of my sites, 9 rustic bathrooms with stone and wood. So we are targeting rustic bathrooms on Pinterest here, and the quality here is great. All of these ideas, the text is great, reclaimed wood and slate magic. And you know, it's just awesome that you can create such powerful and high quality articles with a single click. So as I said before, to get access to this WordPress plugin, you have to be a member of Pinlion's community. Once you get in, you will be able to download this plugin and you will see something like that. To generate articles, first you have to add article titles here in Add Articles. So you can, for example, add 10 boho living room ideas, or 8 coastal rugs, or 11 boho bedroom ideas, and so on. Then you just click Add to Queue, and then you will have to go to the article queue. This is our list of articles that we want to create. I just clicked the button that said create all articles, and now I'm waiting. After a few minutes, all of these articles will be generated as drafts. And I know that some of you may be wondering, if I'm paying for the community, why do I have to pay for the articles? Well, I'm giving you the tool if you're a member, and you can do whatever you want with it. Each image costs around 3 cents. A typical home decor listicle with 10 ideas will use 10 images plus one featured image, so it's going to be 11 images in total. That comes out to about 33 cents per listicle with 10 ideas. So if you want to publish 100 articles or something like that, it's enough to make your site look legitimate and full of content. It's gonna cost you about $30 on average. And the reason why I believe this tool is so powerful is the fact that home decor is just a very big niche on Pinterest. It's super popular, especially now we are entering Q4, so there will be a lot of content about fall, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. Seasonal content in this niche can really blow up. Now, do some people dislike AI generated images? Well, sure, and Pinterest does sometimes label AI images on pins. But here's the reality, people still click on these pins and you can still get traffic even if you are using AI. There is nothing wrong with using AI on Pinterest. So as long as you don't break any rules and you focus on quality, you should be safe. And as an example, if you are already doing Pinterest, maybe in a different niche, maybe it's a good idea to start a second site that focuses only on home decor. You can, for example, grab a fresh domain, generate around 50 articles with this plugin. It's going to cost you, I don't know, $10 or $15, and you can simply publish these articles. So that's your foundation, and you can start pinning maybe between 5 to 10 pins per day for the first month to warm up the account. And once you get some traction, you can gradually scale to 15, 20, 30 pins per day. And you can add more content as you go. You don't need to create 1,000 listicles right away, even though this tool can technically do it. And this is what I'm actually doing right now. I created a new site, I generated like 100 articles, and I want to see what's going to happen in the next coming weeks and months. Obviously, I'm going to give you updates on this channel, so if you're interested, make sure to be subscribed. So honestly, that's the game, that's the plan. The home decor niche is a gold mine on Pinterest, in my opinion. And with the right tools, you can scale it much faster than ever before. Honestly, there is nothing wrong or illegal with bulk generating content, because normally you would basically create the same thing manually, but it would take you so much time. You can just do it with one click instead, and it doesn't even cost that much. If you want to get access to this plugin along with the recipe generator and all of the workflows and other tools that I created, make sure to join the Pinlion's community. I can also give you some direct feedback on your site and your Pinterest account, so you can simply send me a link inside of the community. I'm gonna have a look and tell you what you can potentially do better. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this quick video was helpful, and if it was, consider subscribing to this channel. See you next time.